everyone, it's Gabrielle from My Lovey, and today we're going to do a very simple and easy tip on how to get cake flour. A lot of times you have a need to bake something that requires cake flour, but you don't have it. So who wants to run out to the store? So a very quick and easy tip is using flour and cornstarch. And all you do, I usually just kind of very quickly whisk it around just to loosen it up. I take my 1 cup measurement, add some flour to it in there. It's very, very simple to do. And then just level it off and put it into the bowl. And the thing to remember is you want to make sure that you take out 2 tablespoons of the flour, put that back into your bowl right here with all your flour, and you're going to substitute the 2 tablespoons you took out of flour and replace it with cornstarch. So it's really, really simple. Most people have both ingredients floating around in their house, and it's a lot easier to come by because who knows where cake flour is in the store anyway. So, and then you just add your 2 in there. And usually I just whisk it around and then you're all set. And I usually don't store it. I usually make it on the fly. It's very easy to scalable. So let's say you needed 3 cups of cake flour, same process. I would do 3 cups of the all-purpose flour, then take out the 6 tablespoons of flour, put it back in, then add 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, whisk it around, and you're good to go. So here's another tip from Gabrielle from My Lovey, and have a great day now.